guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm sorry it's been a minute since I last recorded a video, and honestly I haven't had nothing really going. Still don't, but I've been collecting things in the background, off camera, making sure that, you know, the turbo build progresses, because I need parts in order to boost the Civic. So this is pretty much what this video is going to be about, is pretty much showing you guys all the new turbo stuff I've accumulated. We're almost there, and then it's just, you know, when the time's right, send it to Mercer and let's start boosting it. So I want you guys to know that obviously this is a budget boost build, you know what I mean? I'm not going crazy with all these crazy name brand parts and everything. One, like I said, it's not in the budget, and you can make a reliable boosted car with not crazy name brand parts, as long as you're not pushing everything past its limit, which I don't plan to. And you know, even name brand parts, they break if you push them past their limits. We've all seen that. But in all honesty, it's not like when I was younger in my 20s when I was building the spooniest one, and you know, the time was just Ashley, myself, and my son Nathan. So I had a little bit of extra funds to spend. Now, you know, you're older, more responsibilities, more children, you know, I ain't gonna be dumping that kind of money. So maybe down the road we'll be able to upgrade parts to better parts, but I'm confident in the way I'm going that it's gonna last me, because I only want to make no more than 400, and if I make 300 to 350, I'm happy. Really, I'm happy. You don't need more than that on the road, and the rest is just for clout. So honestly, this is great for everyone who wants to boost their car but is in a conservative financial state, I guess you would say. So that's enough talking. Without further ado, let's dive right into it. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we have an intercooler and some boxes. First, we'll start off with the intercooler since it's already open. It is 2.5-inch inlet and outlet. It's the vertical style one. Shout out to Jordan, aka Boosted EM2, one of the subscribers, for selling it to me at a really good price. Actually came across it on Marketplace. Didn't realize it was him. Then we started talking, and you know, long and behold, thanks to him, we have a nice intercooler. Yes, it's on the smaller side because I want to see if we can do it where we don't have to lose the fog lights, or the one fog light. But if I have to, I'm well prepared that, okay, I gotta eliminate the fog light. But for what we're trying to reach in horsepower goals, this is more than enough. It's a 3-inch, so guys, very nice, and it didn't hurt the bank. You can find these on eBay Motors for roughly the same price I paid, a little bit more. But yeah, they're not bad at all, guys. Alright, moving on guys, we're gonna go to this little box. Mac boost controller. Now, this is a 3-port. I talked to Mercer and Ralph, and they both said for the setup I'm running, I don't need more than a 3-port. And long and behold, here you guys go. This may look familiar to you guys because the Honda boost controllers, it's these. The Mac boost ones, they just put the Honda on it and charge you an arm and a leg. Got this on Amazon. See, Mac valves. These things work great. A lot of friends I know that have boosted the cars at Mercer run this and no issues, nothing. This is great. It's in the Amazon description I have below, where it takes you to my storefront, and you go to car parts, and there it is. This is a nice little piece, help us control the boost. I don't think I'm going to be running more than 10 pounds, but if it does go over 10 pounds, at least we can regulate it with this, so we don't have to worry about boost spiking and everything like that into dangerous levels. But yeah, nice little piece, very affordable, and like I said, same exact piece as the Honda ones. So as you guys know, I have the AEM digital wideband and oil pressure gauges already on the RSX dash. Even have the same ones on the Mugen Up at the X series, but I didn't want to go with the AEM this time. Not a fan of the digital boost ones, and their price is crazy high, and I wasn't about to pay that. So we're going with a Turbo Smart boost gauge analog, good old traditional one. You can't go wrong with it, and I got it on Amazon. It's all in the link. A lot of these parts, guys, I got on Amazon or eBay Motors, and they're like, if you're going on Amazon, they're all on my storefront. So guys, you get them for great prices. Like I said, man, I know what it's like to be in your shoes, you know, trying to build a car, and it's like, man, a lot of things are costly, and you know, responsibilities over cars, obviously, but you know, there's a way. And like I said, a budget boosted build where you can still have fun and get good parts like this. Turbo Smart, really good part, matches my my wastegate. So it's analog, they light up nice, and you know, like I said, really good price, and I like it. I like it. Traditional analog, you can't go wrong with an analog one. It's always accurate. Runs off vacuum. That's it. The digital ones from AEM, you know, I've had some issues where they start to fail, and that ticks me right off. Actually, it's oil pressure sensor gauge on it. Sometimes it reads, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it says SNSR, which is sensor, meaning when it shit the bed. So it sucks, and fortunately, it is what it is. But we at least got a nice product for a good price to add on to the boosted application. So that's that one. You guys are probably asking, where are you gonna mount it? My friends, I got you guys. Right here, what you see from Glow Shift. I believe I got this. Ooh. I don't know if I got this on Amazon or I got this on eBay Motors. Regardless, you can get this on eBay Motors. This one is a single pod for the 01 to 05 Honda Civic. So this bolts right. As I was saying before, my butterfingers almost dropped this thing and scratched the spooniest one. Whew, close call, guys. This is for the 01 to 05 Honda Civic pillar. Bolts right up, you know, then you screw it in like it's supposed to. So it's gonna be on that one pod, exactly how I've always envisioned if I ever went forced induction. And now it's gonna look so sick, guys. The way that's supposed to light up, I've watched some clips on YouTube. Has a really nice color scheme. It whites up white, I think blue and red, I don't know, something like that. But it looks really nice. It's very bright too, so that's awesome. So it's gonna look really good, you know, on the shock pillar, oh my god, it's gonna look good on the A pillar, and then you know, be steady eye on our boost levels. Boys, in this box right here, we have a very crucial part. It was one of the most affordable parts I got. When I showed you the other turbo parts in the beginning, I didn't have it in time because it was still coming in the mail, but it's here now. And this is our Amazon special blow-off valve. This thing is, I think it was like 50 bucks. If I'm not mistaken, 49, 40 something, I don't know, but it was very affordable. David has the same one on his boosted EF, but look at this, nice quality. These things sound great, like it sounds amazing on David's car. It's the tile replica one, and everyone on YouTube that bought this has great reviews. They say this is the best sounding and best working eBay/Amazon style blow-off valve. So yeah, nothing crazy, basic. It's got the other spring in there. You got some fittings, the ring, and you got your clamp. So yeah, guys, can't go wrong. It's also on the link. But yeah, this is gonna be so sick, man. Like, I love the way this thing sounds. I wanted to go with the HKS replica one because, you know, who doesn't love HKS? But when I heard this in David's car, it's nice. Especially like sometimes when it turbo flutters, whew, I like it. I like it a lot. So I'm super pumped to hear this thing once we have it on the car this year. So great item, guys. Very, very great item. And guys, the last box to open up is my Lines Racing oil cooler box that I got for the spooniest one. We're gonna run an oil cooler so that way it cools the oil, and it's perfect for the turbo and the engine. And this I got on Amazon. I was gonna get a China brand one, but then this came up, and I asked David what his was, and he said he had the same one, but he had a 30 roll. I ended up going with the 15 roll because I don't need something that big, and I think he's gonna reduce his as well to like a 15 or a 20 roll as well. But it comes with everything. It comes with line, AN fittings, oil cooler, and I believe it's supposed to come with the sandwich plate. But I opened it up to see so far, and honestly it's good quality. I'm gonna open it up with you guys now. This was not a bad price as well. Just a little bit of a pain getting in the mail with UPS. Alright boys, as you guys can see, this is the oil cooler itself. Nice quality. Fins are not damaged. There you go, the Lines Racing symbol, and where you put your fittings. Very nice piece right here. Perfect where we could tuck it inside the bumper and probably get some airflow directed to it from the big opening. But yeah, that's a nice piece. Let's see what else we got in the box. Here we have brackets for it, so yeah, it's nice, nicely packaged too. I'm not gonna. That is one of two boxes, so I'm guessing the line and everything is in the second box. Alright boys, here's our second box. Oh yeah. Right off the bat. Oh man, it's like nicely packaged in here. So we got our sandwich plate right here. Let me see if I can grab a knife. Sorry, I was wrong. It's a couple brackets, some bolts, and a fitting. This wasn't the sandwich plate, this one. It's that. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is a sandwich plate right here. And apparently, sandwich plate's really good from this company. I have the Mishimoto one, but it's only for the oil pressure sensor, so you won't be able to run that. But we're able to run this, so we could put the oil pressure sensor and the one for the turbo and all that. This is a nice little unit. Great finish. It's got the nice gasket right there. Nice, very nice product. I'm very impressed with this Lines Racing kit. And then, what do we have left? Well, I'm not going to take it all the way out of the box, but you got our AN fittings already with our line, our braided line. So, guys, that's a nice product right here. That's a very, very nice product. And like I said, it wasn't too costly. Like, for you guys in the States, it's obviously a lot cheaper than it is for us guys here in Canada. Like I said, for guys in the States, obviously the prices are a lot better for you guys. You guys pay less taxes and everything like that, and shipping's a lot cheaper in the States. So for guys like us in Canada, you know, it's a touch more expensive, but going this route, we're still saving some money, and we're getting some pretty good quality parts. Like, you guys see it yourself, these parts are, you know, they're not bad. Like Turbo Smart, name product, glow shift, it's been around forever. A lot of people run this blow off valve. Mac boost solenoids. A lot of people run them, and Lions Racing, it doesn't hurt to try. You know what I mean? So I'm pretty pumped. I got injectors, 1000cc injectors already in the mail coming. So I'm excited for that. When they come, we'll unbox them and see them. You'll see which ones I got. And then it's just getting a 4-bar map sensor and the piping. That's pretty much it. Now I just gotta get the VTEC solenoid, the actuator, timing chain, OEM tensioner, and then the Type-S oil pump timing chain, and then the guide for that, brand new from Honda. Swapping, so we could swap in our stock K24 8 cams, and then, you know, the stage 4s will be up for sale. And then pretty essentially just put the motor back to stock, slap the turbo kit on it, go see our boy Ralph on the dyno, and whatever we make, and we'll have some fun with it. The EL is going in very soon to Mercer. I got a bunch of little things that we won't be able to do in one day, so I'm just gonna leave with him during the week, and then we'll just go over everything he did. I'll make a video about that, of everything that Kevin's gonna be doing for us. I'm just waiting for something to come in the mail, so that way I can forward him the car, and yeah, get some things changed, and, you know, get the car winter ready, and just go from there, guys. Like I said, I haven't been up to too much, just been collecting parts, I guess you could say, so we can get content going. But I wanted to give you guys an update on where the turbo build is and what it's looking at, and the parts that we've received already. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys into the next one. Be safe, take care. See you guys in the next video. Peace.